We're going to take a look at the iPhone's App Store. If we open the App Store, we can see that with iOS 6, the App Store has been completely redesigned. We can see at the top that we have scrolling banners. In the middle here, we can scroll through our icons of applications. We even have categories that we can scroll through down here at the bottom. If we want to see all the categories, all we have to do is tap categories in the top left-hand corner, and we can scroll through and select any category that we would like. Once we're done viewing that category, all we have to do is come back to categories, go to all categories, and we'll be taken back to our main home page. If we tap on the charts here on the bottom, we can see that we'll be taken to our charts where we can see from the top paid, the top free, and the top grossing. We can even hit the charts in the categories, and we can view the top paid, free, and grossing per category if we would like to. Going back to all categories will take us to the general App Store categories. Here with Genius, we can see that Genius has been redefined to use these cue cards. What it shows us that this application is based off an app, Doodle Jump. Here we can see the app icon, the star rating, the price, and we can even see a screenshot. If we want to say that we're not interested in this application, all we have to do is tap Not Interested, or if we like to keep seeing our Genius results, we can just scroll over to the right. If we want to search for an application, just tap on Search, enter in our search. Once we press Search, we'll be presented with the same cue sheets that we saw in Genius. We can scroll through them. We can even choose to install them, and we can see the price of them as well. Here in our updates, we can see that we have app updates, and we can even see our recently purchased apps. We can choose to see all purchases, or we can choose to see purchases that are not on this iPhone. We can scroll through them, and we can see the ones that we purchased before. If we go back to the charts, and we pick an application, we can do this in any app. We have a new info view. Here we can see the details of the application, like the name, the category it's in, the star rating, and if we scroll down, here we can see the screenshots of the app. We can see a description of the application. If we click more, we can see the full description. We can also see more of what's new, which is this most recently updated list. We can see seller information such as who the seller is, the category, the current version, when it was updated, the size of the app, the age rating, and what it requires. If we press developer info, we can see all the other applications the developer offers. If we press top in-app purchases, we can see all the in-app purchases that this application provides. If we tap version history, we can see a list of all the version histories that they've provided and what they fixed in each version. If we go back and we press reviews, we can see that we can like this application on Facebook, we can give it a star rating, we can write a review, we can request app support, or we can see what other people are saying about this application. If we click on related, we can see the related applications to the one that we're viewing. And if we wanted to, we can open the app, being that it's installed on our iPhone currently, and if it's not installed, we'll be presented with the option to buy it. If we press the share button in the top right hand corner, you can see that we can share this application via mail, messages, Twitter, Facebook, or we can copy the link.